Today we're gonna unpack some Redbubble fun. Yep, I have a little Redbubble haul and show you some of the products. I thought you might be interested and want to know how the products actually look like. Never mind, you know, you design them on the computer or your phone or whatever, but this way you can actually see and, you know, judge for yourself how the products look when they're printed. Okay, let's do it. See you over there. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Natalie. I'm an artist. I work in all kinds of different mediums. Lately I'm kind of into digital art, but also designing. And I have a Redbubble shop and an Etsy shop where I design t-shirts and mugs and prints. And yeah, so this is my new passion, but I'm still doing traditional paint as well. I'm in fact actually starting a new series pretty soon. Anywho's, if that is something that interests you, all the art and how to make money with art and, you know, kind of tricks and tips on how to improve your art business, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I got my packages here. There's another one down here, so let's go under the desk and check out what we got. Okay, so this one actually came quite a while ago, a couple weeks ago. It was the first one I ordered, and I did open this one up because I wanted to know how it looked, and it's kind of, well, you judge for yourself. Look at all the instructions, blah blah blah, how you wash it. It's a mask, but I kind of messed up the design. Like the heart is okay, it's hard to see it, but I can't get it because it's the fitted mask. But the top here, isn't that right? It's supposed to say "Be my Valentine," not just say "My Valentine." So because so you guys have to watch when you design your stuff on there, so you make sure you don't mess that up like me. You can actually specifically make a template for it, but you know, I don't have time to do it. So, but I think gonna wear it on whatever Valentine's Day before, whatever, for work on Friday. But yeah, I do like to print. It did a really good job in printing, and even like I put a background on it. And the writing is really all good, except that I messed up the design. So I have to go back and fix some of the stuff, I think, on my shop. So this is the first one. Next one. This one. I also opened this up, but just like this, I didn't. This is a phone case. We always get cool stickers with it. I don't know if I got a sticker with that one. I gotta look later. This is for my daughter's phone. It's a photograph. I'm gonna give it to her actually today. I really like how the print came out. It's really good. It doesn't fit my phone, otherwise I could show you, but it doesn't. So yeah, this is the hardcover. I really like the print. It's a good job. I think during this video I was first going to talk about the pros and cons of getting stuff from Redbubble. So let's do all the pros first. I think it's really easy to design your stuff on there, and you have to get used to the sizing and stuff after a while. And this is my own fault. I needed to be smarter, but again, you need to learn. So the website is very easy to do. That's the first pro. Second pro, there's a lot of products you can design for. So if you make a generic design, you can kind of do some variations of it with the other products. So that's the second pro. And the print quality is really good so far. I haven't opened up all of them, but so here I wanted to show you these two. These are stickers I made. It's see, it's kind of blended, shiny or whatever, but this is a sticker I got from there, and this one. So this is a shiny one, this is a matte one. I tried both of them. They're pretty big stickers, like you can get different sizes. So this was, I think, the medium or small, I can't remember. That's why it's good, you can make sticker packs. So you put like, you can put 4 little stickers in one square or whatever. So yeah, I'm really happy with the stickers too. So there's three pros. Now the cons are, as I'm opening up the next one here, this one actually haven't even looked at all. First con. First con I really have to is the postage is ridiculous because it comes from different. It used to come all from Australia, which was that took like a month to get your stuff, which was a pain because you know you want to get something for a specific holiday, and then you gotta order it at least a month ahead or whatever. But because now they got stuff all over the place, you think it would make it cheaper, but it's not. The postage, I find very expensive. I can't remember how much postage was, but these, like this, these 2 notebooks, this and this came to $100, even though this is only like what, $5. This was maybe $20 or something. The 2 notebooks were like, I don't know, they weren't that much money. Oh cool, see, this is a design I made on my iPad, and I really like how it came out. It's just half of it, but that's okay because with the hardcover journal, it's on both sides, but I actually did it on purposely, not this way. So I like this. Let's see the inside of it. This is a lined one, just for notes, writing stuff down. I wish they had one without anything. I think they don't. So this is the one I did on my computer. And this one is from a picture I took of a painting I did, which I have somewhere around here, but maybe I can show it to you if it's not too far away. 1 second. This is the original, and this, can you see it? Yeah, so it's a little brighter, but it's because I kind of changed it a little bit in my editing program. I'll give one to my daughter, she can write stuff down for school, and so yeah, she's going to college in this fall, so she can use that. And one I keep. So, oh, there's another cute sticker. Little kitty. I love kitties. So the con, yeah, it's cost too much money. And some of these products, because they're made in another country, in who knows what country, away from you, it takes forever to get to you. That's another con, I think. There's 2, and what's the third one? Because they, oh, even though I think it's, I really like how they how you can edit your stuff on the products. It still needs to be more done. Like you see, you should be able to turn it. You should be able to, with the cups, put like the designs on both sides. You just copy it, because in some, like for example, this is not going to show you what I'm talking about, but this is printed in from Printful on Etsy. I got it from Printful just to see how it's looked and how the print is, and it's really good. It's really good quality print. I like it anyway. I have to frame this sometime, so I have it as a sample. Yeah, they need more ways of edit your designs. So this is a third con, I think. The price, the time, and the edit. So these are the things I got with my mini haul. Now I'm to show you some products like this one. That's printed by another company, which is Printful. This mug I showed you before, it's actually printed in from Society 6. I have a store there, but I don't really sell anything ever on there. I don't know why. There's more. It's got a lot of art on there, abstract stuff, and just art in general, not so much designs like that. But this is a really good cup. I had it for a year now. And it keeps your coffee good, like warm for a long time. So that's that one. Now, I also used to design stuff in Spoonflow. This is a website you can design your own fabric and sell your fabric on there. But the problem is you always have to order one of these squares first, which costs like 15 bucks or something. So kind of like proof it. And then you can put it on for sale. But it came out really good. Look, this is also a design I did on my computer. It's really cool. It has a couple spots there, but actually I think it makes it more made by human and not a robot. I don't know. I like imperfection. Some other people might not. Yeah, so this came out really well. So this is kind of how it looks when your stuff is printed on fabrics or paper or metal or plastic. Put the stuff in here and put it back in. Okay, so this is what I have to say about Redbubble's print-on-demand service. Yeah, I definitely encourage people to try it. It's really good quality, except you have to, you know, there's a couple things that you have to consider, like the price and the shipping is expensive, and the shipping time takes a while sometimes, especially now with the COVID, but even before. I'm at Redbubble for like 4 years or whatever. Mostly just designing for myself, just for Christmas presents or whatever. Yeah, but that said, Society 6 is even more money. So. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got something out of it, something useful, in case you want to try, you know, getting some products from them. Let me know in the comments if you got product, what your experience is with Redbubble, good or bad. Please let me know. I always like to hear different people, you know, what their opinions are. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. Make sure to check out those videos how I design my stuff for Redbubble, and yeah, and the other print-on-demand companies I use, I talk about a little bit. I'm probably gonna make a new video about Etsy. Gonna show you how I upload that and what I do with that shop at some point. And I'm also gonna start a new series with my new idea of a painting line, which I'm gonna use mostly for prints that I can sell on Etsy. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos, ring the bell to get notified when there's new videos up, leave a comment because it really helps with the algorithm. I need to get some more exposure. I don't think my videos are that bad that they're just not gonna get viewed. So let me know if you think it's horrible. I guess any comment is better than no comment. Gives me a thumbs up. That also helps in the algorithm. And yeah, so make sure you go over there, watch that other video.